Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a Facebook ads. So first of all, you're going to launch up Facebook. One thing you need to know is that you need to have a page that you already created, not an account. A normal Facebook account you cannot do Facebook ads on. You need something called a page. So once you have your page, you're going to, it's pretty easy. You're going to scroll three ways until you find this microphone way thing. Once you're into this, you're going to find a boost a post. If you already posted a post onto your page, you can actually boost it, pay money, and your Facebook is going to boost it, make it appear to different other people. Or we can do something called create a new ad, which is basically just make a new ad, add photos, add videos, just and then pay money to just making an advertisement for Facebook to show to other people. Or you can go with the automated ads. I recommend you to go with the automated ads because it just if you don't know what to do first, I would highly recommend for you to go with it. It's pretty easy. You're just going to put your a video or photo, and it's going to do a personalized plan for you. For all the audiences that you want to reach, it's going to be just do it for you pretty easy. As you can see, do you have a website, location, do you have a contact, what do you want audiences, what specific audiences do you want people to, do you want your ad to go to people? You can actually edit all of that and just keep going. Once you do this next, you're going to add the photos, videos, or whatever you want, and then the next you're going to just see all your ad categories that you apply to your ad. For example, you can go with housing, employment, all this kind of stuff. Then you're going to specify your goal and get more messages, on WhatsApp, promote your contact info locally. And once you do this, you click on next. It's going to build your plan, and you're going to set in your budget and find your audiences, and you're going to start your plan, and it's going to be and it's this easy. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.